Have you ever wondered what it feels like to live in a big house inside Nuvali? Then this video definitely is made for you. This is your host, Maki Olegario, Dream Homes 101, and welcome back to another house tour episode only here on Dream Homes 101. Today, I'm really excited because finally, the long wait is over. Sulea is now at full length, open for public scheduled viewing. And now, I'm gonna give you a house tour for you to understand what it feels like to live inside. But before we proceed forward, I'd like to thank you, friends, for the constant love and support you gave my videos. And please keep supporting my videos up until to the next video coming up. Sulea model, house on lot model, is now open for public scheduled viewing. This stands at 175 square meters minimum lot cut. And the floor area is around 110 without the balcony. And including the balcony, 114 square meters in size ang floor area natin. And the good thing about this is the biggest, this is the grandest Sulea house and lot model inside our estate subdivisions in Nuvali. If you would notice, friends, I'm not in a usual wear or attire right now. I'm wearing comfortable clothes because of the tropical season. So just a reminder, friends, keep yourselves hydrated and keep yourselves cool. In addition, as you can see, before we enter the house model, we have here the provisions or the carport, the provisions for 2 cars at least because it's pretty much wider than the usual carport we have so far in our subdivisions. And before your property line, as you would notice, we have at least around approximately 2 meters, 2 meters size na easement right here. Makakapaglaro pa dyan yung mga bata, hindi diretso sa road. That's the good thing about it. And we have here, can you see that? Can you see that small hallway right there on the left side? That's a way papunta doon sa kitchen. And a good thing about that is that when you just arrive from doing your grocery shoppings, you can just go straight from the car, your groceries, to the kitchen. So let's see what it's like later when we go around this, when we lounge around this area. And a good thing about this, we also have here a small garden or planting strip where you can plant if you love planting or gardening. Pwede kang maglagay ng mga halaman and magtanim ng mga halaman dito. And we also have here the lanai area. So it's an additional function that we will go also later on that area. So let's move inside naman ng house. So before we enter the room, we have here your porch. Very generous ang space niya. So come on inside. So here we are inside. So as soon as you step up inside this room, you'll definitely be greeted by this very spacious, humongous space right here, together with your dining area and your living area as well. So as you would notice on the door side, we have here a tall and narrow window next to the door, which definitely invites more natural light. So it adds up yung entryway doon sa accent na rin ng house natin. And the good thing about this, as soon as you enter, we also have here a spacious foyer. And this could be your sanitation area, where you can actually, we also have here a cabinet for shoes where you can put your shoes and everything. So as you can see, medyo malaki pa yung space. Sobrang generous ng space niya rito sa part na ito. So we have here the partition or the division for dining and living area. So this part right here, ginawa nilang living area. So where you can enjoy watching Netflix or your any entertainment stuff on your television. So you can read here if you love reading. They also put a mini table right here where you can conduct meetings with your friends with your colleagues and everything, even with your family. That's the good thing about this space, very maximized. So let's move forward to the dining area. I don't know, but for us in our family, for some reason we love conversing with friends, with your family. As soon as you get into, you know, this space of this part of the house where you eat together and everything, and then you converse with one another. So it gravitates really. This part of the house is really important because this is where you can chat with your family and enjoy eating together while conversing. That's the good thing about it. So what else? So the design is very inviting, and then here we also have a mini cabinet where you can put your glasses, your plates and everything. Additionally, we also have here, Solea House model actually has a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 toilets and bath. And we also have here additional a small storage room where you can put your things right here, your tools, car tools, bike tools and everything, electrical tools. And sobrang laki ng space niya, pwede mo pang lagay yung mga bisikleta mo dyan or other activity stuff mo. So let's move forward to the lanai area where you can, first of all, as you can see, we have a sliding door right here. It actually adds up doon sa inviting na atmosphere or ambience ng natural light na din. Pag-invite ng natural light, while you guys are eating, enjoying your meal, you can see the garden, you can see the beauty of the outdoor stuffs right here. And as you can see, we also have here curtains. So yung curtains niya from floor to ceiling, talagang sinagad siya para at least nagkakaroon ng mindset na mas lumalaki yung space dahil doon sa floor to ceiling curtain natin na nilagay dyan. So here's the sliding door. Buksan natin, labas tayo dito sa lanai area natin. So this is the lanai area. This is gonna be an additional function area where you can conduct your outdoor activities. You can put some chairs here, lamesa, where you can enjoy a relaxing view of the nature and yung hangin while reading your book and stuff. So what else? We have here a little hallway where you can also do gardening right here. So from the lanai area, let's go to the kitchen. Here on the side, as you can see, as you walk through, we have here the cabinet na pwede mong paglagyan ng mga gamit pa. If you're a person na workaholic ka or talagang nagmamadali ka lagi para sa work mo or sa business mo, pwede ka nang mag-iwan ng mga sapatos mo rito, pwede ka mag-iwan ng mga important na things mo rito para hindi mo makalimutan. So madali na lang siya since we have a walk-in cabinet na nasa entryway ng door natin. So pwede mo diyang ilagay yung mga coat mo and other stuff mo that you are going to use for work or for your businesses. So here, sobrang laki ng space ng kitchen. So here's the countertop. And the good thing about this, wow, very sleeky. So here's the countertop. We have here your lower cabinet where you can put your glass of champagnes and everything. And what else? You can put here all your kitchen utensils. So what else? This very spacious. This is designed as derived from a American standard designs where there is also a window in front of the kitchen. So while you're doing your dishes and stuff, you're doing the cooking and everything, you're seeing the people from inside na naglalakad doon sa labas. And yung mga pumapasok at lumalabas ng village, that's the good thing about it. So here, since you have a natural light entering or since meron kang natural light coming from the outside, yung mga bacteria dito ay na-sanitize. That's the good thing. That's the good part about it. Alright, since very spacious naman siya, so we also have here the overhead cabinet or the hanging cabinet natin where you can put your, as I was saying earlier, your glass of champagne here, or utensils din ng mga kitchen utensils mo na pwede mo diyang ilagay pag istoran din ng mga groceries mo right here. Apart from that, we have here the range hood. So nandito, meron din tayong provision for refrigerators, cooking stove. So dito, ginawa nila cooking stove siya. So that's something that gives you more elegance. What else? We also have here, as I was saying earlier, from the outside, ito yung daan natin or yung door natin. Back door kung saan pwede mo ipasok yung groceries mo. So tingnan natin, silipin natin ng konti. So what else we have here? As soon as we step out outside, as you can see, we have here a very spacious area right here, where also an additional activity area na rin natin siya. Kung saan pwede mong gawin yung laundry mo dito, kasi meron din tayong outlet. Tingnan natin dito, meron tayong outlet. Then dito na pwede mong pagsaksakan. Oh, that's good because GFCI outlet din siya. So just like from before, doon sa kitchen natin, pag na-sensor niya na nabasa, automatically magsa-shutdown siya. That's the good part on it. So tara, pasok ulit tayo sa loob. Pasok tayo. Let's go inside our first na room on the ground floor. So here, as you can see, oh, ganda. Very elegant, very luxurious yung ambience niya. So pagpasok natin, we have here ito, pakita natin. Yung center, yung wall light natin. Meron tayo dyan dalawa na dinesign nila. Very aesthetic. Kadagdag siya ng accent. And we have a center light right here. So if you really love studying, if you really are a bookworm, this is definitely a good choice of designs na pwede mong gawin doon sa house mo. And the good thing about it, unlike from the other video of Erin na we had toured so far, itong space na to is kind of like a pantry lang. Pero this time, room na siya sa Solea. So mas malaki siya, mas pinalaki, at very spacious siya. And meron nilagay, since malaki yung space niya, may nilagay tayong mahabang lamesa. So kung gusto mo nga mag-aral, kung mahilig ka talaga mag-aral, this is a good choice na lang, option, na pwede mong gawing design doon sa iyong kwarto. So here, pwede kang mag-work dito, and you have the window, provision for aircon. Good thing about that, meron ka ring natural light na nag-i-invite ka rin through the window ng natural light while you're doing while you're studying and doing your stuff. So let's move forward upstairs. Oops, but before that, we have here on the left side yung ating first toilet and bath on the ground floor. So pasukin natin saglit. So dito ang design na ginawa niya, nilagyan niya ng partition for shower. So you have here the shower and the provision for water heater and other fixtures. And the good thing about it ay nilagyan niya ng salamin para parang mas tingining malaki pa yung space. And dito pwede mong gawin yung mga stuff mo like toothbrushing and paghihilamos ng mukha and everything. What else? Tara, diretso na tayo dun sa taas. Samahan niyo ako umakyat. So tara, akyat tayo. Sa pag-akyat natin, wow, very spacious yung hagdanan. So ang ganda rin ng pagkaka-design niya. Yung color niya nagbe-blend din sa nature. So very modern, contemporary yung design niya. So maluwag, kasya pa at least 2 tao rito. So malaki yung ano niya, malaki yung space niya. So ang inaano rin natin dito is yung safety rin nung ating occupants dito. So tara, samahan niyo ako umakyat. So before we proceed forward on the second floor, we have here the sobrang mataas pang ceiling right here na pwede ka pa maglagay ng chandeliers dyan para makadagdag sa accent and ng elegance ng space natin dito sa Agdan. Apakaganda. So we have here also the windows kung saan additional na naman siyang way para makapasok yung natural light sa loob. So that's the good part about it. So here's the second floor. So nandito na tayo sa second floor. Bago natin pasukin yung mga rooms dito sa taas, as you can see, we have here the study table or a study area, working area. Personal space mo rin siya kung saan kung mahilig ka talaga mag-aral, kung ayaw mo sa loob ng kwarto mo mag-aral o mag-work, you can do your stuff here. Pwede kang mag-work dito, pwede kang mag-aral dito, magbasa ka ng libro while having your tea or your cup of coffee. That's the good part about it. So dyan, nilagyan niya ng lamesa. So ikaw, pwede mong gawin yung mini office mo rin. So depende sa'yo on how you are going to use or maximize the space we have here on the second floor. So dito, it depends upon then on your decision how you make it more beautiful. Pero this time, meron siyang malaking painting right here. You can put your family portrait right there. And dito, pwede kang maglagay ng other stuff mo, table and everything, cabinet, na kung ano yung depende kung ano yung magsusot doon or magpi-fit sa taste mo. This time, we're gonna enter on inside the second bedroom on the second floor. So dito, wow, ganda. Para siyang mixed with elegance and at the same time, Koreans-inspired na design. Kasi this time, parang Barbie-like ang colors natin. Very, very nice. The design is very inviting. And the good thing about that, yung malamang nagkakwarto dito ay mahilig sa mga Koreans. Kasi we have here yung mga Korean stuff. No? So, what else? So you have here your walk-in closet right here. Maganda rito, sobrang laki ng space. Depende sa'yo kung gusto mong ilagay yung mirror dito. Kumbaga, ano lang naman siya, design siya doon sa taste nung tumutuloy dito. Pero ikaw, depende sa'yo kung paano mo i-maximize. Kung lalagyan mo ng walk-in closet na may salamin dito or yung ganito na lang na style na Barbie-like. Sobrang ganda naman, very aesthetic. So what else? Tara, pasok tayo dito sa... Labas naman tayo at pasukin natin yung second bedroom. Galing sa second bedroom, pasukin naman natin yung third na bedroom right here. Bago tayo pumunta doon sa master's bedroom natin. So, very spacious. It's kind of spacious than that from before. Or na-maximize lang yung space talaga. So it is important really to hire then yung mga professionals, mga interior designers para nagkakaroon ng proper space planning. So this is how it is maximized, the space. So it looks very spacious at the same time improved real well. So as I was saying earlier, ganito ang ginawa niya. Instead of maglagay ng mirror on the side, nilagay niya sa walk-in closet yung salamin para kapag before siya kumuha ng damit or after niya kumuha ng damit, pag sarado niya makakapagsalamin na siya rito. So that's it's kind of cool. And I would say, since I love anime, I also love soccer and everything. This room is para siguro sa mga mahihilig mag-soccer or love sports and anime, because we have also here Gojo. And here are the pictures and marble. So this designed for a kid na mahilig sa anime, sa marvels, and sports, especially soccer. So, pasukin naman natin. Bago tayo pumasok sa master's bedroom, i-highlight ko lang din tong part na to. The second toilet and bath natin on the second floor. So, pasukin natin. So, just like from before, underneath, sa baba, we have partition here na nakadivide na yung pag magsha-shower ka para hindi tumalsik dito, para mapanatiling tuyo yung part na to kung saan pwede kang mag-ayos dito just like doon sa baba. So maganda naman siya. So pasukin naman natin yung master's bedroom natin. So right now we're going to be entering the master's bedroom. This is going to be the highlight of this full course house and lot tour. So, ito yung master's bedroom natin. On a hallway, papasok, we have on the left side yung walk-in closet natin. Medyo much bigger siya than that from before or than that of the other walk-in closets we have earlier. So, very spacious siya. Dito, pwede mo ilagay yung mga coat mo, mga damit mo, or yung other stuff mo, personal stuff. So, we also have here the sarili niyang toilet and bath. So, as you can see, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa loob. Kanina, from pinapakita ko sa labas, yung division niya or yung partition niya. Nandito tayo sa loob, sobrang elegant ng feeling. Naliligo ka lang pero sobrang luxurious ng feeling. Sa labas tayo, ito yung third toilet and bath natin, kung saan sa mismong master's bedroom niya, meron ka na rin sarili mong toilet and bath na hindi mo na kailangan bumaba. Pero ang good thing about naman nandun sa baba nating room, kapag may mga elderly tayo, they don't need na umakyat pa sa taas para mag-CR or gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay dito sa taas dahil sa baba, pwede na silang mag-stay doon. So dito, sobrang laki ng space. Since it's a master's bedroom, talagang properly enhanced and improved tong kwarto na to. Na-maximize talaga yung space niya. And the good thing about this space right here, apart from being spacious, the feel is kind of refreshing. Parang kaisa mo yung nature. Kasi on your right side right here, you have the balcony with an inviting presence of nature from the outside. Also, you have a window here. Dito, pakita natin. So, you have other window pa on the left side. Kung saan, paggising mo pa lang ng morning, bubungad na sa'yo yung inviting na presence ng nature at the same time. So, dito, talagang na-maximize. Sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-enhance niya. And lalabasin naman natin yung balcony. Tara, iparamdam ko sa inyo yung presence ng nature from the outside, no? So, let's see. So, just like from before, underneath, dun sa baba, downstairs, meron tayong curtain na from floor to ceiling para mas lalo pang napapalaki yung space niya. So, what else? Tara, labas tayo dito sa balcony. This time, let's go outdoor dito sa balcony. So, as you would notice, sobrang laki ng space ng balcony natin right here. Dito, kung hindi ka satisfied doon sa presence ng nature na nafe-feel mo from the outside, from just looking at doon sa labas, pwede kang lumabas outdoor naman dito sa balcony mo at mag-relax dito habang nag-e-enjoy ng coffee mo, nag-e-enjoy ng cup of tea mo rin at the same time. So the good thing about this, very spacious siya. Sobrang laki niya. Pwede kang magbasa ng libro dito every morning and with your partner or enjoy your own company. That's actually the full course house tour episode we have today. And before we end this video, since hindi tayo nag-drive tour, I'm gonna give you a little details about doon sa mga updates natin and developments is inside New Valley. So the good news about our new updates in New Valley, we have now a 2-hectare civic complex kung saan binabanggit ko to sa mga short videos ko na ang Santa Rosa Laguna, ang municipality ng Santa Rosa Laguna and the giant when it comes to developing lands combined ay nagkaroon ng memorandum of understanding na to put up a 2-hectare civic complex wherein doon meron tayong inclusion ng a city one-stop shop for government hubs. And we also have there yung sports complex natin and what else? Other developments, we also have on the top of yung Mary Mart natin and ginagawa na yung the shops natin. Pa-top up na yung the Mary Mart natin doon sa may central block. That's an additional nating convenient na mapagsashopingan natin in the future. So that's the good part about it. And many more other developments coming up inside New Valley. Nagbibigay ng convenience sa ating community. And dito sa New Valley, you're not just actually buying a piece of property or a piece of land. You're buying is the future and the community. So from reservation up until na ma-turn over sa atin yung property natin hanggang sa bank financing, since I'm a certified home loan broker as well, I can guide you all throughout doon sa property ninyo hanggang ma-turn over ito sa inyo. That's the good thing about this. I'm not just going to give you the video, the details and everything. I'm also going to give out all my best to help you out para doon sa property ninyo. So when it comes doon sa mga reservation details and other information pa tungkol sa property na ito or sa other properties we have in New Valley, townhouse at townhouse pa yan, condo, and other house and lots or lot only, we also offer everything for you. So, you can just contact yung aking personal number na 0997-2650-593 or yung Viber and a WhatsApp ko na +63-997-2650 for those who are residing abroad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments to my videos to be updated also on my upcoming videos in the future. Thank you so much. This is your host, Mackie Olegario, once again, of Dream Homes 101, where dreams become a reality, one home at a time.